This is the pencil cactus. I got this when it was very small. But she didn't even have those leaves. Put it outside, it grew leaves. Then she got bigger and bigger. So I seen a cactus at Home Depot for about $20. I actually got this cactus for $5, and I believe right now it's almost like a $15 piece. I may divide it because I can see 3 stalks in there in the ground, but she's doing pretty well. She's turning white, yellow. She will get a fiery red at the top or some, but now I think it's just trying to regain energy and start those roots going. That's what those solar power shields are. That's what the leaves are. So you never want to get rid of leaves. And it's starting to bend a little bit to the left, so I rotate it, which I will be more active on doing, just to give it like a full look so it's not bending to the left as you see. But this is the pencil cactus.